Hey guys, and happy anniversary because it's the 1 year anniversary of this segment. Here I am at Surfest Chicago trying to find out how Balkan are you. But before we do that, I just want to show off a prototype from my future online store, Samotako to Srdjan. Let's go find some contestants, shall we?
What if I look stupid?
Well, that's the point. You want some of this?
Uh-huh.
You're getting a little bit too close to the sheet.
Let the games begin.
What is one thing you hide in an old cookie tin?
Needles.
Sewing supplies.
Money.
I'll accept that. I was looking for sewing supplies.
Sewing stuff.
That's correct. So you know this. All right, for a vampire facial, they draw your blood and inject this substance in your face. The name of it is this favorite Balkan biscuit cookie.
Biscoff. Plasma.
Yeah. Yes. Biscoff.
I can't.
Starts with a P.
Yeah,
And it's not porn this time. Well, the answer is porn.
no. I know, it's Lane biscuits, but I know what it is.
I'll give it to you. It's plasma.
Plasma kegs. Plasma.
Yeah. If roses are red and violets are blue, what is the color of Zorica Brunslik's hair? Here's a better question. Who is Zorica Brunslik?
Nemam pojma.
Oh my God.
Whose hair?
Zorica Brunslik.
I don't know who that is.
Say it again.
It's like red or purple.
It's pink.
Pink.
Yes. All right, solve this riddle. I can be hard as wood or cushioned for the pushing. You can slide your feet right in me when you want to go for a stroll. You can hear me coming from a mile away. What am I?
Klompen.
Yeah.
A baba.
That wears what?
A marama.
On her feet, bre.
Oh, papucha?
What kind of papuche? They're wooden.
Opak.
That's not wooden.
Bells?
This isn't elves at Christmas. Just papuche that are made out of wood that people wear.
Oh, wooden shoes.
Which are called what? You hear someone?
Oh, klompen.
Yeah, baby, yeah. At Apostna Slava, you're likely to find this ingredient in every dessert.
Orasi.
Yeah.
Brašno?
Ti sunce.
Šećera.
Nešto drugo.
Možda šećer nije?
Šećer je posno.
Jeli? Eto, ja ne znam ni to.
I'm dead.
Kupus.
Every dessert.
Oh, dessert? Oh, nuts.
That is correct. I carry 2 of these.
Orasi.
Yep, these nuts. I'm gonna love asking this question because I know these people personally. When your parents get frustrated, what are some things they yell?
Jem ti majku, ti materna.
Jem ti sunce, šta radiš, ne znaš ništa u glavu.
Zašto sam te rodila?
Dijana kozo jedno. Udavit ću te kao zeca.
Damn, that's abuse.
Jovana, we will always love you.
All right, so what kind of Balkan people come to your house on Halloween?
What kind of Balkan people come to my house on Halloween? I don't know, I don't celebrate Sveti Luka, so people don't come to my house.
Ciganke.
Šta kradu?
Čeće, jabuke, sve, paprike, kola, stvari.
Gosti.
Yes, thank you. God, you guys are stressing me out. In the Spice Girls, there's Baby, Ginger, Sporty, Scary, and Posh Spice. What is one spice we put in all Balkan dishes?
Oh, I know. I can't think of it though.
But if you know, you can think of it.
Sweet,
What is one spice we put in Balkan dishes, bre?
sugar,
Spice.
sugar spice.
It is savory.
Savory, I never heard of that.
Vedanta.
Teteta, yes. Okay, what do you put in soups to make it more flavorful?
Oh, vegeta.
Yes.
Vegeta,
Yeah.
ljudi, vegeta.
So, fill in the blank. F the cola, f the pizza. All we need is...
Slavica.
Uh,
Šibanica.
Slivovica.
that's right. Generally, weekends are for relaxing. For Balkan people, what are weekends for?
Cleaning.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Drinking.
I'll accept it. I was looking for cleaning.
Hey, drink club.
Not sponsored. What does Mama do on the weekends? Other than drink.
Yes.
What is a Schoferscheibe?
What?
What is a Schoferscheibe?
I don't know. Can you read it on your paper?
Hell to the no.
Cover the answer?
Absolutely not.
A chauffeur?
Scheibe.
Scheibar?
Schoferscheibe.
Scheiba?
Schoferscheibe.
You better not put this on YouTube.
I sure as hell am.
Windshield.
Good. Not a lot of people get that. All right, so the Serbian word for tomato is similar to this English word.
Paradise.
Yes.
Oh, paradise. Not pepper, sorry. Paradise? Yes.
What is it?
Paradise.
In English is?
Paradise.
That's right. When it comes to home remedies, which one gets rid of a fever?
Rakija.
Yes, correct.
Brufen. Perfect.
What the is that?
Rakia. In your socks.
That's
No.
right.
No.
Except
Or
Srdjan.
potatoes.
Potatoes, yep.
Or
Ew. You're done. We're done.
No, we're not.
That's that last question. What the else do you want me to ask?
I don't know.
Thank you for playing.